Everyone wants results. Everyone wants success. But here's what I've noticed. People demand success, but refuse to work weekends. They want opportunity, but won't talk to strangers. They say they're ambitious, but sleep in every day. You see the pattern? They want better results, but they don't want to change what they're doing right now. That's not how this works. Let me just say this real quick. In case you're new here, I'm Sahel. I'm a cybersecurity consultant and engineer. I've been in IT for over 10 years now. I'm originally Persian. I'm from Iran, moved across countries, worked in the UAE, Australia, and even did some projects for companies in the US. But let me be real with you here, guys. I didn't have connections. I didn't come from money. I started from nothing. I was a broke musician, had to learn everything from scratch. Moved countries, new language, new culture. And if you're a migrant like me or someone who didn't grow up with all the opportunities, you already know the deal. It's harder. You're behind before the game even starts. You have to work twice as hard just to get a foot in the door. And I'm not saying this to whine, not at all. I'm telling you what it actually took for me to get here. The reason I'm sitting here today, running a business, working with top companies, doing the work I care about is because I had to outwork everyone else. Not just match them, outdo them, because most of them were already ahead. So if you're watching this and you've got disadvantages, language, location, background, whatever, I feel you. I've lived it. I know what you're feeling right now. But here's the question. What are you going to do about it? Because you cannot control where you started, but you can control what you do now. And that's where the shift happens all the time. No one is coming to save you. No one. The government is not going to do that. The job market is not going to do that for you. It's just you and you alone. So yeah, you've got to work. You've got to outdo everyone else, not just because you want to, but because you have to. Look, everyone wants to break into cyber. Everyone wants the high-paying role, the remote job, the freedom. But guess what? So does everyone else, right? The difference isn't the goal. The difference is the work itself. That's what no one wants to hear. Everyone says they're serious until it's time to study on a Friday night, until it's time to write that cold DM to a stranger on LinkedIn, until it's time to build that project instead of binging on Netflix. People want the result, but they don't want the effort. And that's where the gap opens up for you guys. Because most people stop at good enough, they're lazy. They don't want to do the hard work. They do the bare minimum. And they wonder why nothing is changing. If you want something different than what everyone else has, you've got to be willing to do something different than what everyone else does. Period. That's the game. Uneven work, uneven results. That's how the gap is built. Because most people won't go the extra mile. Most people won't apply to 50 cybersecurity jobs. Most people won't even redo their resume each time when they're applying to jobs. Some people, they don't even practice mock interviews. They don't want to do all of that hard stuff. Some people won't build a single proof of work project. And that's a good news for you guys, because if you're the one who does all of that, like doing the hard work, you don't just catch up, you pass everyone else. You don't need to be the smartest in the room. You don't need a perfect plan. You just need to do more than the people around you. It's so easy to beat everyone else these days because most people are not doing the hard work. And that's how you win. But that only happens when your effort matches your ambition. You know what I mean? Everyone talks about what they want, but very few look at what they're actually doing. You say you want to break into cyber? Cool. But let me ask you this. What did your last 7 days look like? Did you study? Did you build anything? Did you reach out to people, to anyone on LinkedIn? All that sort of stuff. Did you improve something? Did you even move? Or did you just think about it? Maybe you watched some Netflix, watched some YouTube videos, you planned to start something next week, but you didn't take any action, right? You've seen it. Maybe you've done it. I've done it myself, procrastination. But at some point, you've got to get real with yourself. You don't get rewarded for intentions. You get rewarded for action. So if you're sitting there wondering why things are moving faster, ask yourself this. Are your actions matching your ambitions? Because if they're not, nothing will change. But if they are, and you keep going, the gap opens. The results come. It will come. Your life will change as a result of that. Remember this. Uneven work, uneven results. That's how you separate yourself from everyone else.